Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are fit and healthy. Today, we'll be discussing another topic from our English grammar, that is active passive voice. Now, before we start active passive voice, we'll just see an example. Ram killed Ravan. It can also be said Ravan was killed by Ram. राम ने रावण को मारा, या उसे हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि रावण राम के द्वारा माना गया. तो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस राम किल्ड रावण, इट इज एन एक्टिव वॉइस. व्हाई इट इज एन एक्टिव वॉइस? बिकॉज इट टेल्स अस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, या वो हमें ये बता रहा है कि सब्जेक्ट यहां पर एक डूअर का काम कर रहा है. एंड सेकेंड, रावण वॉज किल्ड बाय राम, it is in passive voice because here the focus is on the action being done. Now, how can we change a sentence from active to passive voice? The example that we took earlier, Ram killed Ravan. From beginning, we have been learning that each sentence has a subject, verb, as well as an object. Every time it follows a sequence of SVO, subject, verb, object. So in this particular sentence, Ram is subject, killed verb, and Ravan object. When we change this sentence into passive, the object comes in the beginning and subject goes at the back. Tense is changed, plus we are inserting word by. Ravan was killed by Ram. Now the other examples. She helps him. He is helped by her. I am buying a pen. A pen is being bought by me. He has to teach us. We have to be taught by him. And someone is following us. The passive structure will be we are being followed. Active voice has the structure of subject plus verb plus object, and when it is converted into passive voice, the structure becomes object plus be. Now be is, are, was, were, has, have, all these are the forms of be verb. Then third form of the verb plus we insert by हम बीच में add करते हैं, and at the end the subject comes. Very common rule to change active to passive is bring the object first, choose correct be verb, change verb into participle, add by plus subject. सबसे पहला काम हम क्या करते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट को हम आगे ले आते हैं, वर्ब का बी फॉर्म ऐड करते हैं, इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, हैज, हैव, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस ऐड करते हैं, एंड देन चेंज वर्ब इनटू पार्टिसिपल. वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आ जाता है, बाय ऐड करते हैं और फिर सब्जेक्ट डाल देते हैं. Now how subject and object change? I becomes me, we become us, you becomes you, they become them, he becomes him, she becomes her. The subject, if it is a name, it remains same. Suppose the subject was Ram, so the object will also remain Ram. And if the subject is book, the object will remain book itself. Now in some sentences, there are two objects, direct object as well as an indirect object. She told us a story. She, subject, told, verb, us, direct object, and a story, indirect object. We were told a story by her. As well as we can change the same sentence into another form. A story was told to us by her. दो तरह से हमने इसे पैसिव में चेंज किया. We were told a story by her. A story was told to us by her. Now the next example is they appointed him an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. And the second option is an ambassador was appointed to him. The third example, the story has taught us a good lesson. We have been taught a good lesson by the story. The second option, a good lesson has been taught to us by the story. Has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were, plus to, plus first form of the verb. If the sentence is, she has to help us, it will be changed into, we have to be helped by her. Second option, we have to learn English. English has to be learned. Third example, I had to wait the bus. The bus had to be waited by me. Now has, have, had, to plus first form of verb can be changed into has, have, had plus to be plus third form of the verb. Modal auxiliary verbs: can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must. Plus first form of the verb will be changed into modal plus be plus third form of the verb. First example, she can speak Tamil. Tamil can be spoken by her. Second example, we must preserve the tigers. Tigers must be preserved. Must have, should have, could have, might have, would have, plus third form of the verb will be changed into must have, should have, could have, might have, would have, plus been plus third form of the verb. He should have stolen my pen. It will be changed into my pen should have been stolen by him. Second example, they must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. No need to add by plus subject if the subject is we, they, someone, somebody, none, nobody, everybody, people, etc. हम कभी कभी कुछ सेंटेंसेस ऐसे देखते हैं जिनमें बाय के बाद में कोई वर्ड ऐड होना चाहिए लेकिन वो पैसिव में चेंज नहीं किया गया है क्योंकि हमें पता है कि किसी न किसी ने वो काम किया है. Example, they have stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen. हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे My pen has been stolen by them. लेकिन जब हमें क्लियर है कि पेन किसी ने चुराया है तो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू ऐड by plus subject. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. Negative sentences always remain negative. Active से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते वक्त नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस do not change. They have not stolen my pen. My pen has not been stolen. Structure will be changed, but negative will always remain negative. They must not have left any sign. Any sign must not have been left. And nobody has done homework. Homework has not been done. Now look at the table. How can we change active into passive voice? Taking different tenses. The first is simple present. Verb changes, object changes, each and everything changes. You know the structure? The structure, when it is being converted into the passive form, it becomes object plus is-mr plus third form of the verb. For example, she eats rice. Rice is eaten by her. Now second is present continuous. The structure is mr verb plus ing. When it is converted into passive, it becomes object plus is-mr plus being plus third form of the verb. She is cooking rice. Passive structure is rice is being cooked by her. Present perfect. The structure is has, have plus third form of the verb. Object, when we are converting it into passive, it becomes object plus has, have, been plus third form of the verb. For example, Arun has written a novel. When it is converted into passive, it becomes a novel has been written by Arun. The second example you can see, he has done homework. Homework has been done by him. Now present perfect continuous. Has, have plus been plus verb plus ing form. We cannot change it into passive form. Simple past. Second form of the verb is used. When we change into passive, object plus was were plus third form of the verb. She wrote beautiful poems. Beautiful poems were written by her. Past continuous, was were plus verb plus ing form. The passive structure becomes object plus was were plus being plus third form of the verb. For example, she was cooking rice. Passive structure becomes rice was being cooked by her. Past perfect, the structure is had plus third form of the verb. Passive becomes object plus had plus been plus third form of the verb. Example, he had done homework. Homework had been done by him. Now past perfect continuous tense. It also cannot be changed into the passive structure. Future tense. Now simple future. The structure is will shall plus first form of the verb. The passive structure becomes object plus will shall plus be plus third form of the verb. For example, she will write beautiful poems. The passive structure becomes beautiful poems will be written by her. Now, future continuous. It cannot be changed into passive structure. Future perfect. The structure is will shall plus third form of the verb plus will shall plus have plus third form of the verb. The passive structure becomes object plus will shall plus have been plus third form of the verb. He will have done homework. Homework will have been done by him. The example, one more example you can see. They will have done homework. The passive structure will be homework will have been done by them. Future perfect continuous. Again, it cannot be changed into passive structure. By seeing these structures, you can easily say that perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, or future perfect continuous, it cannot be changed into passive structure, as well as future continuous can also not be changed into passive structure. She will write poems beautifully. When we change it into passive structure, it becomes poems will be beautifully written by her. Now beautifully, it is an adverb, goes just before third form of the verb. He handled the load carefully. The load was carefully handled by him. Passive structure being changed with yes no questions. The active form was can you speak English? When we change it into passive structure, it becomes can English be spoken by you? Second example, has he helped them? Have they been helped by him? Did you help him? Was he helped by you? Do, does plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object changes into is MR plus object plus third form of the verb. Did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object changes into was were plus object plus third form of the verb. Some more examples of yes no sentences. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted? Second example, did they tell anything? क्या उन्होंने कुछ कहा? The passive structure becomes was anything told? Third example, didn't he buy anything? Wasn't anything bought by him? And fourth example, will he bring the book? Will the book be brought by him? Now, the passive form of WH questions. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted? जब हम WH फॉर्म नहीं डाल रहे हैं उसमें तो क्वेश्चन सेम यस नो क्वेश्चन के जैसा लग रहा है. What did they tell you? Were you told? Who questions are changed in two ways. Who opened the door? दरवाजा किसने खोला? It can be changed into passive form. First option is who was the door opened by, or the second option which we commonly use is by whom was the door opened. Who opened the door? Who was the door opened? Or by whom was the door opened? Who plus be plus object plus verb third form plus by, it changes into by whom plus be plus object plus third form of the verb. Who changes to whom. When the sentences is in imperative form, it can be changed into passive structure and letters introduced. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Let plus object plus be plus third form of the verb. Let him open the door. Let the door be opened by him. Let plus object plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Voice changes. First example, did you teach us? Were we taught by you? Second, she has to prepare food. Food has to be prepared by her. Who told you about the accident? By whom were you told about the accident? People are destroying the jungle. The jungle is being destroyed. With this, we come to an end of this video regarding active and passive voice. I hope you have understood it. Very soon, we'll meet with another topic. Until then, stay safe.